Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel, Moonlight RC. First time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, leave a like and comment down below. I do RC content, so unboxings, bashing, and things like that. I also do a little other things here and there, but mainly I try and focus on RC. And today, based on the thumbnail and title, I am doing showing you around a custom monster truck I made from an Axial Capra, and I used JConcept monster truck tires, rims, and a Proline Bronco body. So I will try and have some affiliate links down below in the description. They give me a little extra kickback. They don't cost any extra to you. All right, and here she is. So the silver is nice and see-through, so you can see the Capra right there. We got the Hooters sticker, little driver and co-driver. Here are the JConcept monster truck tires and rims. I did the hollow insert so I could get the wheel on and off very easy. And here we got the gold year. Thumbs up. Take out the pins. I'll show you what we did here. So it's stock Capra. The only electronic electronic change I have done is put an Armor 12 turn in there. I changed to a G7P FlySky G7P, and we put big bore shocks on there. These are the stock Capra shocks I put back here in the rear, just to reinforce it, make it a little stiffer, rather quite a bit stiffer versus the front. This is how I did the little posts right here. Hopefully you can see that. Let's get it plugged in and started. All right, guys, there we have it. Yep, we still got the light bar and headlights right here. And let's give her a good old zing. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that short little video of the Hooters monster truck. Yeah, so it does wheelies pretty much on demand, front flips instantaneously because of the motor winding or suspension combination, a host of things. Yeah, because when you let off the throttle, it like applies brake instantaneously and you go forward. It could be crawling mode that ESC is on, who knows. Regardless, it is awesome and I like it. Hope you guys enjoy. Check out some of my other videos. I have a lot of shorts that you might like. See you guys next time.